that. You're fine. Oh no, you're good. That round thing. There's a round circle right there. Look at it. What's that from? I'm not talking about the lighted one. I'm talking about right next to it. It's weird. Oh shit, it's crazy. Alright, I gotta get home because my damn kid probably didn't get up again. I'm gonna kick her ass. Because she's going to school. I'm gonna have to drive her to get her ass there, but whatever. I mean, look at the fucking shit. How many objects do we got, guys? I definitely know there's not just one. Look at the rays coming out of that fucking area right there. Look at that shit. That's crazy. I'm talking to my video. But I think I'm talking to myself. Well, I am technically, but I'm just freaking out. The rays coming from up there.
Crazy difference, right? Last night.
Wicked. Look at that shit. We got rays coming from up there, and then we got these rays all over here. Totally, no way possible. That's from our sun. All of them. Because they're not even fucking near each other, you fucking tards. Come on. Hello. Oh, there's lots of objects in these clouds. I'm gonna go home and get them all. There's a big fish right there. I'm telling you, there's all kinds of crazy shit. And they lap over, layer it up. It's fucked up shit. Whoa, that is not, I don't like that. See how big that spot is? Looks like the top of a big ass yellow thing, right? But yeah, where are those beams coming from, huh? Check those fuckers out. Those are crazy looking. Beams shooting right out of there. So that's definitely an object, you guys. And we just saw the beams over here. That's where the sun goes. Anyway, JADEDJODY, 1/11/17. Love you guys. Toodles. Have a great day.